at Walmart, and let's look at the girls' clothing, or the women's clothing. All right, here they have a clearance section for $7. See what they have over here, guys. Tags. I'm pretty sure they're all different prices. Like this one here, these stretch pants are $2, and they were $4.44. And then these over here, like these, this print here is also $2. So that's not bad, guys. Look at this. They also have these. They're all marked down to $2. And those black ones, and then they have that print right there. Let's go around and see before we get to the top row. So all of those are pretty much the same. So if we get to these top blouses, these are $7. So this sweater right here is $7. You have some more of these stretch pants here, and those are $2. So all the stretch pants are marked to $2, guys. Then let's see. Then you have these summer little blouses here, and those are, just want to make sure they don't have a sticker on them, but so I'm gonna assume those are $7 because it's the rack. But this one here is marked down to $5. See that, guys? That's $5. So not all of them are $7. They're $7 or lower, I guess. So here is like the Irish t-shirt here, $11.88. So they didn't put the stickers on all of them, so I guess those are $7. And then these blouses here are marked down to $7. So you have it in the blue. This summer one's coming off the hanger. Then you have this. I hope you can get a good idea. Okay, that's $7. Then you have this Time and True black blouse. Okay, then you have this time. Oh, this one's marked to $3, guys. That black dress shirt. Black dress shirt. And then you have this kind here, Time and True, and that's marked down to $9. So they're all different prices. This one here is $7, and then you have this kind here, and that is $9. So this T-shirt here is $5. That one. Then you have that. That's really pretty though, that one. A nice pair of jeans or nice pair of slacks. You can either dress down or dress that up. I don't see a tag on that though. Then you have this kind right here. That's no boundaries. There's no tag on that. Then you have this sweater. Wait a minute. That's $9. Then this one that says Powerful. That's really cute. $5. All right, guys. So then over here, you have this blouse here. Like I said, you can dress that down or up, and that's $7. So then you have this blouse here. I don't see a tag on it. And you have like this. This is nice. $10.96. Then you have this frozen blouse. This is a nice little sweater. That's $7. Okay, let's see. So you have these I don't know, they look like yoga pants. And let me see if I find a tag. Those are $7.88, and I don't see a reduction sticker on that. This one is Time and True, $10.98. I'm pretty sure that's $7. We move over here, look how beautiful those blouses are, guys, and look at the shorts. So the blouses are $8.96, and look at that hot pink. And that's the only colors they have in that. Then the pants are $9.50. At least these are $9.50. There they go. And the camo are really nice, and I'm really loving these. So then these right here are $9.98. Okay, for the white shorts and those coral peach color ones. And then you have this tie, no boundaries, $7.96. There it is in gray. There it is in lime green. So that's really nice. And then these shorts here, well, let me see, these blouses here, oh, it's the same as it's the same. $7.96, and they have it in the white and the hot pink. Okay, so then these shorts down here also $9.98 in the pink and in the denim. Okay, and then these are the ones that tie at the waist, and those are also $9.98, and they come in that green, that peach. Yeah, so that's pretty, and that dark denim. So that's pretty nice, guys. Then you have these tie-dye shirts over here. They tie at the bottom, so you have them in this color, and you have them in this color. Okay, and then I don't know this, and this is a different blouse here, and I think that one is $5. Is it $5.96? That's pretty nice, and here it is in the white, guys. And those are also $9.50. These are the ones that button 3 up, and they fold at the bottom, and there they are in that nice green. So you have this blouse here, and this blouse is $9.96, and then you have that kind. Then you have this style right here. Then you have this olive green. Let me show you. So you have that in the pink, that peach color, that black color in the back. This here is a totally different blouse. $13.98. So somebody must stuck that there. And then you have this style right here. So guys, over here they have for $9.98 these t-shirts. Aren't they nice? So the Coca-Cola, what you want is Coca-Cola, and they kind of cut off on the bottom. They're $9.98. All of these are $9.98. Somebody just randomly placed this here. These are yoga pants for $7.88, but let me move them over here. Then you have this guy. Isn't that nice? This is the Polaroid one, and this is for $9.98. Then they have this one right here that says Nassau. That's nice. Then they have these shorts with this. I love these overall type. $16.88, guys. But they're really nice. So look at this style. Then you have the darker blue. Then you have the lighter one, and then you have this one. Have your yoga pants, and they're $7.96. So you have this style. You have this style. Then you have this style. Let me just go around and show you the designs. And again, these are $7.96. Then they have these right here, guys. I'm not sure. Let me look at the price of these. $7 also and 96 cents. So they have this blouse here with the cherries. This one here with the arrows. And then they have this one here. They have the butterflies, and yeah, and the ones with the stars and the moon. So these yoga pants, which you can wear these as, you can almost wear these as dress clothes. This was marked down to $5. So look at the styles. You have that one. You have this one. That reminds me of Versace. Okay, and then you have this one. Okay, this style right here, and then you have that one. As I go around here just to show you. That's really pretty. And then look at this blouse right here. No, that was marked down too for $7. So these are $4.44. They have this style right here, and then they have this one with the hearts. They have the camo ones, and then they have these with the butterflies and the plain gray. These are capris. Then you have your regular leggings. They even have this style back here. You see it? They have these camo ones, and I'm not really sure what design that is, and more camo in the back. More of the heart ones. Here is the lime green ones, and they have this style. And then this style up here must be new. Then if you look over here, guys, let me show you these blouses, and these tank tops are so pretty. They're lacy. So these right here, guys, look at that. Isn't that gorgeous? And look at that color. Oh my goodness, let's see. $12.96. So you have it in this color, olive green, and then this is a beautiful color. Black. Okay, and then you have some more down here. Then over here you have these blouses. Let me move this over. Okay, you have these t-shirts here, well, blouses. They're $5.96, and here's the black, and here's the green. They have this one right here. It's not nice, guys. Then they have, let me check out this design. They have this in this design for $10.96. Let me show you. And that comes in this green color right here. Then it also, you have another blouse back here in that rust color. Then over here you have that tie shirt. It ties in the front. It's really nice. This one is $12.96, and it comes in this cream color right here, and also the black and olive color over there. Here's some more shorts, and they're marked down to $9.50. You see those? And then you have these I'm loving these t-shirts, and they tie in the front. Those are $7.96. And you have this color right here. You have this. I'm loving this color. Okay, then you have some of these. So you have this pattern here, and this is marked down to $3, guys. That is such a good price. Oh my goodness. Okay, so if you like this style, $3, and pick every pattern, you get yourself dressed up for 20 bucks. Look at this one. Isn't that nice? And this one back here is a blouse, and here's some more of those. Well, this is a dress, like almost like an overall dress. You have some more of these blouses for $10.96. So you have this style here, you have this style here. Okay, here's the green, and look at these. These are no boundaries. I'm loving this. Here it is in the white, here it is in the green and the black. And then this blouse over here, I think is gorgeous. $10.96. So here you have your jeans, the dark ones. Well, they're all $9.98, guys, no boundaries. So you have them in the black, the camel, and that light blue. And then over here, you have them in the black, the blue, the camo. The khaki. Those are really nice. $9.88. And here are the tank tops. And here are like these are $2.88, like the tank tops. And look at all the colors they have, guys. Okay, so you have these type of shorts here, $13.88, and these blouses over here for $9.96, and they come in these two colors. Actually, they don't. They come in black. They come in this coral color. They come in this beige, and they also come in that olive green. So you have this type of blouse right here. There's snugs on the bottom. I don't know what they're called. $11.96, and then they have this style right here. They have the floral style here in the pink, and then here it is in the green. And so here are the regular jeans, and those are $12.50, guys. And look at these blouses. These blouses are $11.96. So this is purple. This is, I want to say mauve. And then this is that mint green. And back here you have the lavender. There it is in the beige. And these jeans. And then here are really nice. These are like t-shirts. And these are running $7.96 for this. And then these back here are $12.96, and they come in the black, the red. They come in this print in the green, mint green, and there it is in the floral in black. So here you have the cutout t-shirt. I'm loving this. Look at this. I love this. See, that's more my style. I like that, and I'm also loving this. So these guys are $7.96, and look at this. Hustle. And this one says not sorry, and that one says angel. I'm loving those. Not sorry. Okay, $11.88. So that's what these running, guys. So guys, thank you for just strolling with me through the ladies activewear, and I will see you guys in another video.